What is passive income? Passive income can be described as a stream of income that requires you to put some effort in at the start and also for maintenance, but otherwise is generating you income around the clock. Having a job is great, but having other streams of income such as passive income can provide you with extra financial security. Once you get to a stage where your passive income streams cover your expenses and allow you to live off of them, you can leave your 9 to 5 if that is a future goal of yours. Although passive streams of income do generate you money without you always having to be hands-on, a lot of times you need to still put in a lot of time and effort to get it all set up and running, and also some time to maintain it. These passive income ideas are relevant in 2022 and can be useful for students who are in full-time education and also those who are in a full-time working job, or even for those who have their own business and have extra capital to invest into other projects. So hopefully they can be useful to you or even help spark an idea that you can implement for yourself. Anyway, with that being said, here are 10 streams of passive income ideas you can potentially work on to improve your finances. So number 1 is stocks. This one has been around for a very long time. Investing into various stocks means you gain a percentage of the company, and as time goes on, the amount you've invested can increase due to the value of the company going up. There are plenty of apps you can use to invest into the stock market. If you do invest in the stock market, it's important to have a long-term mindset with it, as it will take time, but the value of your stocks will increase over the years. Think of the companies you use on a day-to-day basis and believe will only grow in the future. For example, Apple, Samsung, and even Google products and more. These are the stocks you could potentially invest into for the long term. Crypto syrup pools. This one is relatively new and a lot more riskier and volatile. Nevertheless, a lot of people are making money with crypto, and with any investment comes risk. Therefore, if you are investing, it should be for the long term. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you shouldn't be investing any amounts of money you can't afford to lose or any that you feel you might need sometime soon. To do this, you can go on the PancakeSwap website and go through the various options here and use the calculator to see the long-term potential returns. Please do be aware that rates do change and aren't always the same. Index funds and ETFs. This is the same as investing stocks with one important key difference. When it comes to investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio, hence diversifying risk, so that you can better your chance of making profit in the long run. Index funds and ETFs eliminate the risk of having only invested in one company to then just lose the value of your shares if the value of that company goes down. The stocks are shared by purchasing them in different companies, which then diversifies the portfolio and negates risk. Real estate. If you have the capital, this is potentially a great way to develop another stream of income. Whether you purchase a property outright or through a mortgage, you can then renovate the property and either sell it for more or rent it out for a monthly income. It will take a few years to make the money back from the property, and thereafter everything you make will have you in the profits. YouTube. Anybody can do YouTube. If you have knowledge about something or are passionate about it, you can share and demonstrate what you know to everybody else. You need basic editing skills which you can learn as you go along. Once you've made enough videos and got monetized, you can then gain a regular monthly income, and since your videos will be picking up views once you've uploaded them and have left them alone, this can be considered as another type of passive income source. Patreon. This is a platform where people subscribe and pay for a membership to gain extra content and to support you. The best way to have a successful Patreon platform is to first build a membership can start from anywhere such as £10. If you have 100k followers on Instagram or subscribers on YouTube and even have a 1% conversion rate of 1,000 members on Patreon, that means an extra 10k per month. Bear in mind, memberships can go up all the way to £100 or more depending on the value you provide your members and what they're willing to pay out of their own pocket to support you and receive extra content. Online guide. If you have knowledge about something, then this is a great opportunity where you can create a course or guide in the form of an e-booklet sharing valuable knowledge, for example a health and fitness guide, explaining various training strategies and diets. You can then price it very reasonably and make it very affordable for people to purchase. If you have followers, you can charge them £10 for a download and then gain passive income on a monthly basis depending on your followers and downloads. If you don't have followers, not to worry, you can also pay those with a large following to verify and market your online guide for you, which will then help you receive the same results. Dropshipping store. If you can create a website and get someone to market it for you, then this is a great idea that can be trialed and experimented with. You can find a supplier online that has essential products that people are always searching for and buying. You then receive the items in bulk at a lower and cheaper price point and then provide the packaging and branding and sell to customers at a higher price point. You can also directly ship products to the customers from the supplier depending on what is more convenient and profitable for you. It can take a while, but there have been plenty of profitable dropshipping stores in the past, and yours could definitely be one of them if you are willing to put the time, research and effort into it. Social media brand sponsors. Social media is a great marketing tool. If you have a niche audience and a following, you can then use this as leverage for marketing purposes. For example, if you grow a following in the health and fitness niche, most of your following will be interested in getting in shape and being fit and may look to your content for tips and advice on diets and workouts, amongst other things. They also follow you and trust you due to your consistency, quality content and reputation. This is where you come into play for brand sponsors who may have workout clothing they want to promote or a new health and fitness supplement. They may then reach out to you to promote their product for them. If you believe in their product and think that it may be beneficial to your audience, then you can promote it to them and get paid for it. Social media affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another form of passive income where you can market related products and services to your followers according to your niche. So using the health and fitness related example again, you can use Amazon affiliate marketing to refer to your followers massage guns, protein and creatine supplements, wrist and knee straps and more to your followers who are interested in health and fitness and may therefore be interested in these products. You can leave the links to them in your YouTube or Instagram videos and posts and earn a commission off of the sales that you make, and this can add to your monthly revenue based on the amount of sales you help close. If you've been watching the video up until now, I just want to give you guys a big thank you and remind you to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below on your thoughts and opinions on the video. Here's a bonus tip for you guys. Create and sell designs online. Design websites like 99 Designs, Theme Forest or Creative Market can be great places to sell digital designs online, whether you use a website builder to build website themes, logos, branding resources, templates, illustrations or even fonts. These platforms offer a built-in market that is already looking for design resources. Graphic design in the US alone is a $13.1 billion industry and is only growing. Thankfully, getting a piece of that pie passively can be easy too. For instance, if you wanted to start selling designs on Creative Market, you'd need to apply and wait for approval. From there onwards, you can get your own storefront where you can start selling your branded designs. So this process requires you to put in some time and effort in creating your designs and putting them online so that they are available to customers to purchase. From there onwards, you will be receiving monthly downloads and purchases which will add to your monthly stream of passive income. That's it for this video guys. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below on your thoughts and opinions and maybe any suggestions for future videos. Until next time, peace.